Let's start. I think your left hand is very close to violin. Voila, you can feel here. So the tune you can feel here and here, not here. Okay. Another thing, your bow is very good to move, but I think you don't use the all things, you know. So yes, yeah, wait. We have the space, but not here. You can try to, yeah, it's very free. Yeah, it's very good. You know, wait. Violin, it's not very necessary to use your thumb. You can do, you know, so it is not necessary to push your thumb. So we can construct first one. I can forget. Okay? Yeah, you can start. Do you feel better? Hold here, you know?
Иска да каже, че трябва да си използва всичките косми на лъка.
So I think the bass of tune or bowing is very good. So I think just she can do better is the relax for her left hand and a very smooth moving for the right hand. I think it's very good. Bravo.
Името ми е Божидара и също така с цигулката просто мама ми предложи, пуснахме едно видео от интернет и на нея исках да свира. Любимия ми композитор Моцарт.
Ти колко често се упражняваш?
През ден на цигулката, когато смогнем, защото има и на пианото доста за свирене и да.